Hello Giz, I hope you're doing good today. I am going to teach you how to convert OnePlus Ace 5 to Global OxygenOS or Chinese ROM. ColorOS method is saying just file is changed. Next, just enable developer options and turn on OM, unlock from there and turn on OS debugging. After is debugging enabled, connect with your PC. And remember, download all the tools needed, which includes Fastboot and add platform tools that you can easily download from anywhere, and also Fastboot firmware flasher. After connecting your phone to PC, we will open Fastboot platform tools. Put these commands there. While phone is resetting, we will open firmware flasher and unpack the firmware, which I have already downloaded to convert ColorOS, which is Chinese ROM. Remember, method is same, just files are different.
Command from bootloader, unlock. This is a must step, otherwise you will get your device bricked. After command prompt on device and allow it, the phone will reset.
While firmware is unpacking, we will set up device in. After setup, remember to enable developer option and us debugging from there. Now connect the phone and we will start firmware flashing. While flashing, watch closely for any failed commands or errors. After completion, it will with any errors or failed flashing happen, press stop flashing, and to start flashing again check your firmware has been unpacked correctly. Now that our firmware flashing has no errors, we will continue and hence it's completed. Now we will set up device, and I can see successfully we converted our phone to ColorOS, which is Chinese ROM. After setup, we will lock the bootloader again. Method is same, just a little command change. Instead writing unlock, we will write fastboot flashing lock.
That's it guys, remember to subscribe and like the video. You guys watch my videos, but no one subscribes. These videos take a lot of effort. Please support and subscribe so I can keep coming like these kind of videos. Goodbye guys, take care.